Hey guys, Sarah here. Everybody's here. Welcome back to my channel. I apologize for the lighting. I normally film in natural light and I'm just not good at lighting, so this is what it looks like. Today we're going to be opening up our Sephora Play for June 2019. This box is $10 a month. You get, I believe, 5 samples catered to your beauty profile kind of thing. Generally, this is not my favorite box, but it's not my least favorite either, so it's not a bad box. But let's just go ahead and see what we got this month. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty-free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the values of the box to find out whether we got a good deal or not. Okay, so once you open it up, it looks just like this. It's got this little pamphlet here that's going to have the full-size values of everything we're getting in here, as well as our 50 beauty insider points that you get for subscribing to this box. Okay, so the bag this month is like orange, I guess is the color I'm calling that, like orangey yellow. Okay, so let's see. The first thing I'm pulling out right on top is the, what is this, First Aid Beauty, I believe. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair BarriAIR Cream. Strengthen, balance, and hydrate. I think this is for your skin. Yes, use daily in the morning and evening. Apply evenly over clean skin. So let's see. That's what the packaging looks like. It's like really hard. It's like such tiny handwriting, isn't it? Handwriting. What? It's late. It's not late, but it's, I don't normally film at 9 o'clock at night, so it's late for this lady. I'm trying to get a bunch of all my videos filmed because I'm going out of town. So probably when you're watching this, I am on vacation somewhere. I'm going home to see my family. But yeah, so trying to get all my videos done, but I've been having to work. So I've been working all day and then coming home and filming. So that's why it looks like this. Anyways, so this, let's see, it's just like a tiny little jar right here. I don't like the way it smells. I don't know, it smells like a little bit weird. It's not bad, but it's like, I don't know. I'm not a fan of the scent. Might just be unscented, I don't know. It says fragrance free, but I don't know. So it's just like a little cream. You can see it right there. I'll give it a try. I'm always looking for things to hydrate my face, so there we go, got that. And I lied, this paper doesn't have the full size value, so I will put the sample value down below if you care. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Laneige, which is not cruelty free. This is a lip sleeping mask in the scent of vanilla. There's that. I'm not really a huge fan of lip masks. I just put chapstick on, and I know there's like, I've heard something where it's like the more chapstick you use, the more you need. I don't know. I just like to wear chapstick every night. Like everything hydrated, including my lips. But not a lip sleeping mask. I don't know. Not my thing, but got that. That will just go to a friend or into a giveaway. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is from this is from Sephora. The Sephora brand, which is not cruelty free. This is the I cannot say this word. It's hyaluronic acid. All day hydrator, hydrate and glow. So there's that. I guess I can pull out the package just so we can see what it looks like. Oh, it's just like a tiny little tube. So, and it's about halfway full. So, not a ton in there. So, all right. So we're 1 for 3 so far. Let's see what else we have. Okay, so the next thing is from Briogeo, which is cruelty free. These are just some foil packets, which I just don't like. I'm not a fan. But this is the Matcha plus Apple Replenishing Superfood Shampoo and the Kale plus Apple Replenishing Superfood Conditioner. I don't know. I just don't use these. Maybe I can donate them to like a shelter or something. I don't know who does like these. Nobody I know, but there's those. Okay, I think I have 2 more things in here. Okay. So the next thing I'm pulling out is from Tarte. This is the Rainforest of the Sea primer, I want to say. Yeah, it's the Quench Hydrating Primer. It's just a tiny little thing. I have used this before. It's a real watery primer, if I remember correctly. Not my favorite. Let me see what this is. So yeah, it is a little more watery. It does smell nice. It smells a little bit like vanilla, maybe. Not bad. This is such a tiny sample, and it's, I don't know, it's like clear, so I can't really see how much is in there, but I do like Tarte. I don't mind getting this, but I'd prefer something else personally. Okay, one more thing. Okay, so this is the Milk KUSH mascara. There's that. I've gotten this so many times in beauty boxes. I feel like this is like my third or fourth time getting it. I don't particularly care for it. Every time I get it, it's like dry. It's not like super, well, this, yeah, it's just like a dry mascara. I don't know. I know that looks like wet, but that's just me rubbing it on my hand, and it's not like, and it could be because it's sample size. It's always a little bit different the way the wand is in with the mascara with a sample size, but I just don't care for this, and I don't know if that's how the regular size mascara is, but to me, this is dry. It is cruelty free, however. Now that I've rubbed it all over my hand, I'm gonna use it, but not exciting really, in my opinion. I feel like I've even gotten this from a Sephora play box before. I'm fairly certain I have. But yeah, so that's everything I got in this box. You know what? There was, I guess, mascara. There was one makeup item in here. Primer to me is not makeup. The rest is all skincare and one hair care. Primer to me is like almost skincare, especially this kind. But yeah. I don't know. What'd you guys think? I'd love to know what you guys got in your boxes if you are subscribed to this box. This is one of the boxes where it's like everybody gets totally different stuff. So let me know what you got in your box. I'd love to hear that down below. Also love to know what you think of my box. If you have any opinions on it, I don't like it. I think it was pretty bad personally. But yeah, that's all I have for this video today. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.